When we first started looking into purchasing a home, I had a recommendation who came highly recommended, but when we started working with him, we were kind of working with both Ruben and the other realtor. And I felt like just Ruben was just way more on top of it. I felt like he knew the area. I just felt like he was just came across more professional.
Being the first time I was buying a home, I definitely had a lot of questions, but he made it easy for me to go to him and not feel like I was bothering him. He was always up to talking about things. Easy to get on a phone call, easy to meet up with, to kind of go over things and just to make sure that I felt comfortable.
Well, I think one of the main things was the fact that the market was just so crazy. It was really important for us to find a home that had the potential of adding the ADU. We felt like it would help us just in terms of our finances, like many other people in California.
Ruben was pretty educated in all the areas. He researched and made sure that we would be able to add our ADU to our home. It made me feel really good having used Ruben, to buy our home and to actually make it a home. That was definitely what helped seal the deal for us. And I really feel like that was something unique working with Ruben. I'm not sure how many realtors would have gone and taken those steps, to help us, build a home for our family.
Thank you so much, Ruben, for everything that you've done for us. It's definitely made the buying process so much easier, and we really appreciate all the hard work that you've put in.
I really enjoyed working with Art and Karina. My favorite part about working with them was their vision and seeing them turn their house into their dream home, essentially. That allowed them to do two things, right? They bought a property for just a little below market value, and they were able to put their own spin and touches on the finishes. Most of the property was in original condition. I don't think it's been on the market for over 55 plus years, but they purposely bought a house that needed work so that they could actually turn it into their own vision and their own house and feel like it's really their own. There was a lot of work that they had to do up front, but the payoff is extremely worth it. I mean, you guys saw the inside of that house. It is beautiful. If you like what Art and Karina did and you're thinking that, hey, I'm the type of person that would like to buy a property that also needs a little work so I could do something similar, reach out to me so I could walk you through the ins and outs of purchasing the property that does need work, because there's a little bit more complexity than some people might think, especially if you're using a loan. So be sure to reach out to me so we could have that conversation.